Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to tell you about a backlight failure. Wherever you notice that it's a backlight failure in your TV, and there's a process that you need to follow. This video is for educational purpose only. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you are a technician, you're able to understand this video very well. Wherever you will notice that and you have a failure of your backlight, first thing to do, you can on the TV. Most TV have this kind of fault. The audio will be talking and the video will not be showing. That's mostly common issue of backlight. So you don't throw it away. When you observe your television is having that kind of problem, you don't just throw your TV away. It can be showing. Sometimes your television will be one side will be dim, one side will be showing clearly. This thing is also a backlight problem. So and or some you can be shut down completely. You can just show the logo of your TV and shut down. This just also is a backlight problem. So what to do when you have this kind of problem? You can on the television as the television is showing. Then you can use your phone light to flash the screen. Most TV can be showing, but you cannot able to see it. You go into a dark room or wherever is dark, you use your phone light to flash or your torchlight to flash to notice that this television is backlight. So it will be able to give you the sign of your dim image. So when you open it and you will open the power. You first and check the power first. Then there's a voltage that goes to the backlight. There's a voltage that goes to the backlight. Yes, if the power is good, there's a fault somewhere. But if the power is not good, that is the power that's having a problem. So you open, if the power is good, then you go deeper. You see, then you now open the screen. There's a process of you open the screen. So only a professional that can do this. You don't just go and open the screen just like that. Only a professional can do this. So you open the screen and you get to the backlight issue. Then what you do when you reach the backlight, we use LED driving modem to test backlight, or you use your multimeter to test backlight. And most time, if one of the bulb among the backlight get filled, it will shut down the whole backlight system completely. Some it can only be one bulb, while some it can burn, it can shut down complete. All the lights can able to damage completely. So where if you notice this thing, do not hesitate, just change all the bulbs so that for you to get free on your TV, you change all the bulbs. This sometimes there's a current failure. That's what make your LED bulb got filled. So the best thing to do is to change all the bulbs. Then after you change the bulbs and you will copy it back as it is. This process is for you to know that yes, the backlight has been fixed. If you understand this video for the beginning, thanks so much. This for educational purpose. Thanks for watching.